Hello guys, let's make some quick money together. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to make money online, this is it. Crypto is creating millionaires every single day, and today I'll show you how to get your share. Today, I'll show you the full cycle of working with the liquidity pool return program using the WAXP coin inside the Binance exchange. No external wallets, no exchanges. You are not limited to using any exchange, any other exchange like Bybit. You can use any exchange provided it has the WAXP coin listed in it. I will be short of words, but more of action. So in my case, I have $203. So first, you need to have USDT on your Binance balance or any other coin. You can deposit directly or transfer it from another exchange. If you don't have an account yet, register and complete verification. It takes around 15 minutes. There are only 3 steps, so I will be quick and make sure you be keen. First, click on portfolio as you can see here. Click on portfolio. Click on trade, convert. I have USDT. I want to convert to WAX. I will search WAXP. I will input maximum because I want to use maximum. I will preview. I will confirm. Perfect. First step done. Can come here maybe. Second step, you click on portfolio. You click on add funds, deposit crypto, choose WAXP or search WAXP. Network is WAX. Network is WAX. Click on WAX. Okay. Copy the memo or the WAXP tag. Remember these guys. Copy the WAXP tag. Go back. Last step. Click on take out or withdraw depending on the version of your Binance. Maybe it is Pro or Lite. Click on take out. Withdraw. Search. Mine is here because I had searched earlier. Search WAXP. Choose WAXP. In the address field, manually type WAX on pooling. Be keen in this last step. WAX on pooling. WAX on pooling. Make sure it is WAX on pooling. Small letters. On the network field, choose WAX. Long press and paste the memo or the tag that we copied in our second step. Input max. Before proceeding, check. Double check everything before confirming or before clicking the withdrawal. Make sure the address is WAX on pooling. This WAX on pooling is the smart contract address that pays the rewards. WAX on pooling is the smart contract address that pays the rewards. After confirming everything, click on withdraw. They are telling you ensure the network is correct and ensure the tag is correct as you can see. Confirm. I will input my passkeys. I will input my authenticator code. My authenticator code is 067, I mean, then 829. My email code is 230285. Withdrawal is processing. Wait for the transaction withdrawal to be processed. Just come back. Keep refreshing. Keep refreshing. This is blockchain, so you need to give it time for it to withdraw. If I can click here, you can see it is processing down here. You can see, so let's give it some time. You just keep refreshing because this is blockchain related. It takes a little bit time. Let's refresh. As you can see, our withdrawal of 10,291 WAXP is complete. So what you need to do at this level is just keep refreshing for the wax on pooling smart contract to give back the reward, a deposit with the reward. I will get back when the deposit arrives because blockchain usually takes 10 to 15 minutes for the reward to be deposited back to your account, provided you give them the correct tag or memo and the address works on pooling. You are all set. One thing I would like to remind you is the reward is given in WAXP tokens. It is usually between 12 to 18%. Depends with the amount you deposit. If you deposit 500, you are not limited any amount, any maximum amount. Be careful, minimum deposit is $50. Don't make mistakes when entering the address that is wax on pooling. Always copy the memo or tag. If you send funds to the wrong address, I won't be able to help you. Let's give it time. As you can see, there is a pop-up of deposit confirmation. Let's maybe refresh one more time. Perfect. As you can all see, the deposit has been returned. We received a 31, that is, because we had started with 202, 203. We received a $31 reward. For the benefit of doubt, let's repeat the cycle. Just click on take out, withdraw, search WAXP, give it time, WAXP, address field manually type wax on pooling, small letters, wax on pooling, network is wax, tag or memo, paste, because we had copied earlier, maximum, I will use now the maximum amount, then withdraw. Ensure the network is correct, as you can see, and ensure the tag is correct. Perfect. Confirm. My passkeys. I will input my authenticator code. My authenticator code is 831928. I will input my email. My email code is 485872. withdrawal processing. We now go back and give the withdrawal process to be complete. As you can see, we received 11 with a profit. We have withdrawn 11,899. The one is the transaction fee. So let's give it time. Let's refresh one more time. Perfect. As you can see, the crypto withdrawal is completed. So we keep on refreshing like we did in our first cycle and wait for the wax on pooling to give us the reward. Let's see what we will get as the reward this time round. So I will get back when the transaction is complete, because as I told you earlier, it takes 15 to 20 minutes. So let's give it time. But before that, processing time depends on the network load. If it delays, don't worry. This is Binance, a very legit platform. No external wallets. Patience pays. Let's give it time. There is a WAXP deposit pop-up and a WAXP deposit successful pop-up. So let's refresh. As you can see, we received now 275. We received another $41 reward. So out of 203, we now have a clean $72 profit. The project has a limit of 5 transactions per day. This is actually to allow more people to participate. After the 5th transaction, convert the WAXP into USDT to avoid market fluctuation. So you click on trade, convert, WAXP, choose USDT, input max, preview, then confirm. Perfect. Go back. Now, after fees, we have 275. We started with $203. We've made a clean profit of $72. This is an opportunity, as you can see. The maximum transactions or circles you can go are 5. Use this opportunity. Let's grow together. In case of anything, there is my WhatsApp number on my bio. There is a Telegram link to my community. Click, feel free to ask any question. I will give you help. Thank you and God bless you.